Assalamualaikum and welcome back. So this video is about 11 different ways to say sad. But before that, do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to stay updated. So our first video was about 25 different ways to say welcome. And this is our second video on 11 different ways to say sad. Do you often feel like that you're feeling sad and you don't find enough words to describe your feelings or to tell somebody that you're feeling sad? Don't worry, I'm gonna tell you some alternative ways to say that you're feeling sad. So without any further ado, let's get into the video.